McKinsey creates some of the best visuals online. Here's how to make this one using just PowerPoint. So here's the dataset we'll be using for this demonstration. Now go to the Insert tab, select Chart, and choose a scatter plot. Expand the data window, insert a new cell for the category labels, update the relevant cells, and ensure your dataset is correctly selected. When that's done, go ahead and close the data window. Then right-click on the horizontal axis, go into Format Axis Options, and set your preferred maximum, minimum, and units. Do the same for the vertical axis, making sure the values and units match accordingly. Now clean up the chart by hiding any unnecessary elements. Then select the markers, open the Format Marker options, and customize them by making them larger, changing their colors to your preference, and removing their borders. After that, enable data labels for the markers. Customize them by going into Label Options, checking Value from Cells, and entering your category labels in the provided field. Once the text labels are visible, uncheck the default value labels to avoid clutter. Now let's clean the labels, so first turn on grid lines to help with alignment. Select the chart and, using the grid lines as a guide, adjust its width and height, positioning it neatly on the slide. Once aligned, hide the grid lines again, then left align the text within each label and adjust their positions for a clean look. Repeat this process for all labels. Once done, define regions to help interpret the data more effectively. So go to the Shapes group, select the Freeform Shape tool, and draw a custom shape over specific data points to highlight or explain why the points appear in their respective positions. If needed, refine the custom shape using the Edit Points feature to accurately adjust the anchor points. Next, apply a light shade color to the shape for subtle emphasis. Repeat this process for all desired regions. Once complete, send the custom shapes behind the chart and add annotations by inserting descriptive text and labels. Finally, add titles and sources to complete the design.